Hi guys, I'm putting you on a stand. Perfect. Hi guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing some slime. So yeah, hold up. Where did it go? I can't review slime if I don't know where's the slime. Give me a minute, guys. Where is this freaking slime? Where is it? No, where are you, multiple slime? Where are you? Where are you now? I found it. I found it, guys. But yeah, we have, it says, glitter slime, do not eat, keep away from heat, glitter slime. So yeah, let's open it. It has a little spot in it so you can open it. So let's get it out. Hold up, first thing I have to check is the fart. This is what I call fart slime. Let's see if I think I can turn it around and do it and just keep going like that. Yup. But okay. Let's start out with the stretchiness. How stretchy is it? It's kind of hard to stretch, but it's kind of stretchy. I can stretch it, yeah. Let's see if I can make a slime bubble. Oh no, I'm sorry. You I don't want the slime. But you cannot make a slime bubble. See if I can make a slime swirl. Let's just get this slime twirled around. Now, just so you know, I'm bad at slime swirls. Forgive me. I bet someone else can do more with this slime we have to work with, but just whatever. Don't care about it. Whatever. But yeah, it makes a good slapping noise. The table is shaking. I can do this all day. It's kind of shredding a little bit. Not really, though. Just feels like it is. So yeah, let's see how squishy it is. I like to just carve my fingers in it. It feels so awesome. And it's so satisfying. It'll make a really good ASMR. But yeah, let's see how squishy it is. It's kind of squishy. It's kind of hard. It's like a jiggly, kind of. But it's not like those dumb jiggly slimes. Like, it's not like those bad jiggly slimes. It's one of the good ones. But yeah. There you have it, guys. Oh no, I'm bleeding right now. I just scratched myself. So I'm going to try to make this quick. Peace out, guys. Slime is piecing you out. Ah! Hold on, mess up. Okay.